Oh man, what a day. What a day it was. Holy man, I'm way too big here. Let's see what's going on here. I had to shorten myself down here. There we go. There we go. What a day. Hey, Wednesday, hump days in the books. February 5th, market recap. Incredible day for us, calling top and bottom before the day even started. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up there on the video. I'm going to get right into it. If you like what I'm doing, links in the description. Come and join us. See how these incredible levels work. Come and learn the order flow and start winning. If you're struggling, come see us. Start winning. Incredible day for us. Let's get into it. Last night in our meeting, I talked about how bearish the order flow was into the close, and we were correct. We opened in the Asian session, and we started to sell immediately, like hardcore distribution yesterday from 60 to 64. But the main context, if you were on today's free YouTube live stream, I said before the bell even rang, I'm looking for 6035.25 to hold. And if we see strong bids there, I can't be a bear, even though we're trading under my 54 level from yesterday. I believe that if we held 35, we would rotate up to 54.25. And if we closed it, if we could close 54.25, I believe that we would trade up into 75 and then lift the offer and push into 93 for my overall target from 6015. I could not call that any better, ladies and gentlemen. You are seeing the power of order flow on full display, and I'm laying this out before one lot trades into the cash session. I can't call it any better. This is what I sent last night. Okay, this is the game plan. You get this every night in our room. I update it every morning before the bell, and I'm live on the mic a half hour before each day. We're going over, making sure our levels are crispy and ready to trade. So here we go. Another daily has failed to hold 6054, which I went over for the bell. This is yesterday, right? I'm writing this up in the yesterday evening. Important level, and we were already trading below it. So we were already selling off last night. So I knew where we would go. To me, this is a very bullish day. To me, this is a very bullish day. Most traders would say no, I shouldn't say that. That's a typo. It's a very bearish day, which it was. It was heavy distribution. Most traders will say hammer candle up, but the order flow tells me something else, which it did. We sold off, 20 points last night, 30 points from the high, pretty much. Bulls will have to open close IB above 6054 tomorrow morning and bid it hard to open up the chance to trade 6074. There you go. There you go. This is last night. 6064 has been an order flow area where selling got very heavy today, and we could not trade 70 war, which they tried to do yesterday, but it was just sell, 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 sell. If they can do this, I'm open to 6093 trading again. There you go. We just hit 6093 in the after hours right now. Asian session. We just tagged it. Boom. But I'm cautious about this until I see 6054 really bid tomorrow. Oh boy, what happened on that 30-minute close? I tell you, all you guys got absolutely trapped. And if you heard me on the live stream, I said as soon as we traded 6035, I was like, oh, look out. They're buying this. All of you guys shorted under 50, and you're like, 50 broke. This thing's going to sell off. And then they rammed it right up your ass again. If you can't see the order flow coming, you don't understand these levels, come and see me. Come and see me. I'm a good dude, right? I chill with my team all day long. I really help them get to their targets. We had just an amazing day. But I'm cautious until I see six. So I said, if they can do this, I'm open to 6093 trading again. But I'm cautious until I see 6054 really bid tomorrow. Downside, the bears must take out 6015. Same story as the last 3 days. So we've gotten this trade many times over the past 2 months. 6015 to 93, 6015 to 93, 6015 to 93. It sets up for us time and time and time again. And we take the long every time it sets up at 15. We want to be long, target 93. Want to be long, target in 3. Buy every dip, buy every dip, buy every dip, take it to 93. And we get this trade every time. It hasn't failed us yet. If 6054 cannot bid tomorrow, accept above, I favor a return here where, again, decisions are to be made to hold 15 or restart March and lower. Wasn't the case. Oh boy. You can see how top heavy today was. We sold off, like I said, about 30 points in the overnight session. So as soon as we opened last night, we started to sell. And that was the correct call. I knew we would sell down because it was just distribution heavy. Let's get into the charts, man. So for anybody who's new to the channel, my videos don't get to many people, and you can see how incredible the information is. It's too bad because a lot of you traders are probably too busy trading little chart patterns, and you probably have no idea how the market's actually moving. So let me just tell you, the market moves on order flow. Okay, that's all you need to know. You can take all that indicators, all those stupid moving averages, all those chart patterns, all those smaller time frames off your chart, and you only need to focus on 2 main levels a day, 3 main levels a day, and they're always in play, right? Just remember, there's a bull case and a bear case every single day. It's either we accept above here, bears can take out this, or bulls can take out this. Bears need to defend this, bulls need to defend this. And these levels they're not before the bell, right? They're always at the close of the next session. You should be able to see the order flow and know exactly what's going on and say, okay, cool, bulls are in control from here, bears are in control from here. So you know what side needs to do what. So we plan, as you can see, we plan bear and bull side every single day. So we never have a bias. I always have an idea which way the market's going to move based on the order flow. I think, obviously today we were super bullish coming in. We were super bearish into the close yesterday. It was correct. We sold off 25, 30 points, but we were super bullish into 35 here today. And that was our plan, right? So that was last night. And then after the open, after IB, this is what I said. So I always give an IB update when we're done, type it up, plans for the rest of the day, make sure everyone understands the levels. Great session. This AM, I stressed the importance of 35.25 and 54.75. Before the bell, we sold off perfectly at the bell off 54.75, which we did. It was a beautiful short. We don't take it. We don't trade the first hour of the day. We just let the order flow develop. But it was a really good setup for us to short 54.75, targeting 35. Perfect. Went boom, boom. Right, traded all the way to 35.25, where incredible soaking occurred, which I pointed out live on the mic. Absolutely. Auctions held this level perfectly, which opened up rotation back to 54.75. Yes, it did. Target already met. Absolutely. Incredible session. Rest of the day, bulls must close 54.75 and not lose it. This is the key thing. I will show you where all the bears got screwed, and it was the close over 54.75, and that's what set off the move. Okay? Trust me. That's what happened. You guys should be used to this here. If they can, this opens up a balance breakout and a challenge to move to push those 65 stops. Absolutely, they did. All the way to hit 74. Boom. And 93, not 0 DT. Well, we just hit it in the Asian session. So, we got to 88. 88 was like the high of day. I mean, I can't call that any better. Structure traders will join 54.75. Absolutely, they would. We could still fade down, but we closed out of balance. Balance was rated our 54.75, not by coincidence. And then it was bought, right? Watch the closes and order flow around them. Let's get into the chart. This will be short and sweet, but I'm going to show you some incredible order flow. So here's our 54.75. When we opened, we saw this incredible seller show up right here, right? We tested it again, I think in the first like 10 or 15 minutes. And yeah, we sold off hard, right off 54.75. And then we broke, and then everybody got short below 40. Once we hit 35, we started absorbing so much volume. And if you heard me on the mic, I was live on the mic, even live on YouTube. I was like, whoa, guys, this is getting ready to go, right? Everybody got short below 40. So we knew that once we started printing over 40, we closed the first 10-minute auction. We looked below, closed above, and we came back down again. I bought it. A lot of the guys bought it here at 35, but we could have gotten it in other places too, and I'll show you the setups. But look at all you guys getting short here, chasing this news print, right? So the 10 o'clock news prints comes in, we're all thin up here, and we just shoot down. And everyone's just like, oh my God, short the market. And we were just like, oh, come on down. Come on down. Come on down. We're getting long. And as soon as we traded and the first 10-minute auction closed, it was game time. Boom, got the fill. We ran all these FOMO short sellers here chasing the move down. We ran them up to the upside. We're like, oh, this is it. And then if you were listening to me on the stream, I said, once we close this candle, I said, all we got to do now here, guys, is hold 45. Now, we had another level sitting right at 45. What does 45 mean? 45 is an area that is a rotational area for us fractally. And we knew that once we close this auction here, we knew that we should see support now at 45. And if we held 45, that opened up all the way to 74. Okay, so it was a key area to be like, okay, we got to hold this now. Now I know 54 is in the way, but we have to hold here. If we hold 45, that is the first main confirmation. Well, the first main confirmation was 35. That was like, okay, this is fantastic. Order flow looks great. Market's long, right? It takes a lot of balls to call the market long down here, but the order flow showed us everything we needed to see at our level that we laid out before the bell. Okay, this is yesterday, right? Now, once we close this and hold the pullback, I can see they tried to slam it here. They got really busy. They tried to sell the low. It was, or the low of this candle. They jumped down. They tried to chase this, and they got soaked up. And then once we close this, I said, okay, we're gonna take out these stops, right? 11 o'clock opens. What happens? This is where it all changed for all the bears. Because what happened? We closed the session over 54.75. Okay, this is short squeeze tape. When they push up, they put the bid above the offer. Okay, this is how I teach it to my students all the time. Short squeeze tape has a pattern. They're going to absorb the order flow. They're going to develop a bid. What happened? We pushed up here. Here's the bid. The bid's right here. Why was this bid important at 48.47? Because it was the same bid as yesterday. It was the same bid as yesterday that they bid to get the auction over 54.75. It's the same bid. This is critical. This is what I reviewed for an hour with my guys at the end of the close. Okay. You don't need chart patterns. All you need to do is understand the tape, how they move price. Okay. I get amped up, but like, it's so obvious. But if you don't know what you're looking at, you'll never see it, right? Pull that shit off your screens and just look at what you really need to look at. That's all you need. Push up. Here's the bid. Once they got you. They got you now. All you guys short here at the open and at 54.75, like this is a key level for us. But as soon as we close, look what happened. We close the session, we pull back. Look at this. There's no inventory to sell. It was gone, dude. It was gone. It was out of here. Right? We open the session, we pull back. There's only 16 contracts when we just sell. So all this volume told me, this little pullback right here told me it was done. Yeah, we're going. It's on. If we weren't long already at 35, we weren't long already at 45, this 30-minute entry right here for us was perfection. Perfection. And yes, boom. This is also what I call a rocket candle, right? This is like fuel, right? This thing is just exploding with volume, right? Right? It's my own trademark, that shit. It's a rocket candle. It tells you everything you need to know about the order flow. But this right here, oh my God, this was a thing of beauty. This right here was also a thing of beauty. This right here was also a thing of beauty. Just perfection, right? And I teach my guys, look at the previous day. Where's the bid? Where's the offer? How did it trade? Well, as soon as we came into 48, 47, obviously my level's down here at 45. But when I see the tape at 48, 47, bid, I go, aha. That's the same bid from yesterday. I can just tell by how it transacts, and I can see it forming on the tape. That's all I need to know. Okay, they're basing to take out 45 or 54. This thing's gonna fucking go, and you know it's gonna go even before this happens. So it's like we know. And then off we went. As soon as we opened this, no inventory to sell, and where do we go? Right to 74.25. That was my target. All the way from 35.25 long. My target was 74. All I needed was a close above 54.75 to push the order flow and to push the stops off. And that's exactly what happened. We held this, we closed over 54, we pushed off here. If you're still in denial about fractal markets, I'm proving it to you every day. Look how gorgeous this chart is. It is beautiful. It doesn't get any better than this. It is such a nice chart, man. And then what do we do? Everybody starts short in 74.25, but what do we see? What do we see? What do we see at 70 and 68? We see a bid. The bid moves up. Another short squeeze candle moves the bid up. Bid refreshes, bid refreshes, bid refreshes. Oh, they're going higher. They're going to go for the close over 74 and push this thing to 93. There's the close. There's the entry. Boom. Come back. Last count of the day. Boom. Where'd we go? Let me pull this down. And look what just happened after hours. Here's our 93. What happened after hours? Boom. Hits 93. Can't call that any better. What just happened now? Boom. Trying to take this up to 6103. We'll see what happens here. There's really no bid here into 96 there. So they're starting to sell at 93 as expected. We'll see kind of what happens tonight. But there you go. That was our day. Look how beautiful this chart is. This chart is one of the most beautiful charts I've seen in probably about a month, at least a couple weeks. It's so clean, and it's everything that I teach my guys. Short squeeze tape, absorption, position building, refreshing bids and offers from previous days, understanding positioning. This is like order flow 101, man. It's one of the best charts to learn from. And to, like, if I was to tell my people to go down and sit and watch an entire day again, it would be a day exactly like this. This is just gorgeous stuff, man. It's like textbook stuff that I've seen hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times. Trading is so easy in this, man. It does every single step of the way from here to here to here to here to here to here to here. That is like step by step by step by step by step order flow continuation. There's never a sign that this thing was going to stall out. They did everything right. Mwah! A beautiful chart. That's it for us, man. That was my day. It was a fantastic day. I had a great day, man. Like, I longed 35. We took it up to 54. I tried to get the fill at 54. It missed me by 2 ticks. Saw this happening. I waited to close over 74, and I got long over 74 and took it up into 88 into the close. I had a great day. Easy stuff. Easy stuff. Sometimes we don't get the fill. I kind of had a feeling I was going to miss out on this fill because they bought it right at balance, and I had my limit sitting out 2 ticks above 54. It missed me by, like, I think 1 or 2 ticks, and that happens. Doesn't matter. I stay cool. I just wait for the setups. I just wait for order flow and the levels and the closes to kind of set up. And yeah, today was a beautiful day. Mwah! One of the best days I've seen here in a bit. What's up, buddy? Okay, I'll get you some more from here. So that's it for me. I'm going to sign off here. Say hi. I'm going to sign off here for this evening, and I'll get this thing uploaded. But what a beautiful day, man. Like I said, if you want to come learn, links in the description. If you don't, all good. Just give me a thumbs up. Maybe drop me a like or a thumbs up, or drop a comment in there. Hope you're all doing well in your trading journey. Today was just another fantastic day. This whole week's been incredible. Actually, the last week since Trump got in has been amazing. And I'm so looking forward here to the next 4 years, man. If we continue with this volatility and just incredible two-way auction, then yeah, I'm loving life, man. I hope you guys are all doing well. So, if you want to come join us, links in the description. If not, all good. I wish you the best, and I thank you for watching the channel. So I'll see you guys on the live stream tomorrow. It's free for the first hour. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.